kur virkštelė.
Dar net vienos dienos neturintis kūdikis.
Viena naktis.
Viena naktis. Tuos jai gert ar šitą jau pamaitinai?
Pamaitinau. Jis tiek dalyko.
This one is the girl or the boy?
The girl.
Yeah, this one is the girl, and they say that if she was the second one, and if there is a second girl, she cannot have babies. Yeah, that's very interesting.
Always happen that?
No, it's not a rule, but it's very
It's
often.
very not often when they are two. It's usually only one.
Yeah.
There are two. This one is a kissing. And she is always eating this chain. Come, you're
I
hungry.
think the most peaceful cow is that one.
Which one? The crazy
no,
one?
No, no. The cow beside the calf. That one.
Yeah?
Always when I'm giving the milk, she starts to lick. And it's painful, their tongue.
Yeah, their tongue very rough.
Aha! Something. She prefers the chain.
Kur berniukas
Kaip šiandien.
gimė sniege.
Šiandien įsitaisęs. O, mamka atsibudo. Jau reaguoja.
Ai tu.
O, iš karto atsistojo. Maistą pajutė. Taip, bičias. Nusprendęs
Tau reikia
gyventi
būtinai ir tau reikia.
pats stipriausias ožius.
Taip. Buvo prišalęs prie sniego, prie žemės.